Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my Swiss meringue buttercream. A lot of you guys have asked me for a video on how I do this. It's what I use for most of my cakes. It's the most client requested. It's super yummy and really easy to do, so let's get right into it. I'll be using a stand mixer to make this. If you just have a hand mixer, that totally works as well. I have my bowl here and I'm going to start by squirting a little bit of lemon juice into that and then wiping it down. This just ensures that there's no grease left behind. You don't have to do this step, but I just like the extra security that my buttercream is going to work out. To my bowl, I'm adding my sugar and my egg whites. I'm going to have all the ingredients and the amounts that I used down below in the description box. I'm giving that a quick whisk just to combine everything. And then over on my stove, I have a pot with an inch or two of water, and I'm going to turn that on to medium-high heat. This is going to act as a double boiler, so I'm placing my mixing bowl right on top of that. So you want to make sure if you are using a hand mixer that the bowl you're using is heat-proof. So I'm letting my egg and sugar mixture heat up. I'm just stirring it intermittently. You're gonna notice it's gonna get a little bit foamy. That's totally fine. And as you whisk, you'll feel that the sugar granules are gonna start to disappear. You want to keep this over the heat until it reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm gonna take that off and pop it onto my stand mixer. I've got my mixer on high and I'm gonna let that run until the outside of the bowl is about room temperature and some nice glossy white meringue starts to form. At this point, I'm turning my mixer down to low and I'm gonna add in my butter piece by piece. I'm giving the sides a quick scrape down with my spatula and then turning my mixer back to high until everything's incorporated and the buttercream looks really glossy and fluffy. You might find that after you add the butter, your buttercream looks a little broken. Just keep whipping it, it will come back together eventually. Once everything is nicely combined, it's the stage where you would add your flavoring. I'm adding some vanilla to this. You could add whatever you want, coconut, lemon, etc. As a final step, you can either switch to a paddle attachment and run that through your buttercream for a couple minutes, or what I like to do is just grab a spatula and mix my buttercream around, just cutting through it. This helps get rid of some of that air and makes the buttercream really silky and smooth. And that's it done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.